He's asking for the direction. There are two ways, both are bad. We have to take one. Up here is, I think, Presbyterian Church house, something is there. Sort house they call it. Some sort of religious house. This way goes up. And hopefully this down one is the thupthup falls that we are looking for. Seems we have reached our destination. It's nearby. We asked some local people and they directed this way, and seems like bike can go here. Oh God, gotta cross this puddle, but seems like big trucks are passing through here. My bike will do. I think it'll do well. Well, this is off-roading. I can't manage. I have to leave my bike. I think I have to leave the bike here. Because going up to it'll go, but while coming down, wow. So let me leave the bike here. So I have to leave the bike here. I think we are nearby, right? I kept a wood. I'm leaving my bike here. This is really huge, man. The bike will climb, no issue. But while coming down, lie up. I'll be like a racer. No, you can't stop it. Now we are walking. I can see the river. It's really beautiful. But which side to the waterfall? No idea. There you can see the river. Yeah. Had to walk a lot to the sandy road. This road is meant only for four-wheel drive. Forget the bike, forget the dirt bike, forget every kind of thing. Unless you have four wheels, you can't come. We have reached the river that we came from.
This is the place where we get sand.
Oh. So this is the sand river, huh?
No. So these collect the cell.
Wow. Oh yes. Acha, acha. Oh yes. Acha, acha. I have to remove my shoes because I have to cross this waterway. There you see a boat that carries sand. These villagers, they used to carry sand on that boat. So look for this boat, and once you see this boat, then you look for this way. You have to go up. Oh, it's cold. I thought I'm gonna reach here in half an hour. What half an hour? It's more than an hour. Oh, it's cold. If I fall, I have to lie up. It's too cold. My feet is paining because of cold. And now I have to walk on this. Let me stand. Can't walk here anymore. Hope this adventure is worth it. The water was damn cold. Really cold. Another part of river. We are still searching for the waterfall. Let's hope we'll find it. Yeah, walking barefoot. There are thorns, insects. I don't know. I'm not scared of insects, but thorns, I'm scared. Don't want to bleed out here. We've been walking for more than 30 minutes, I believe. We haven't found the waterfall yet. It's really deep inside. The fun of finding a new waterfall. It's amazing. I can hear something. Huh? Waterfall. I can hear it. Oh man, after walking so much, we have arrived. Hopefully. Don't tell me this is waterfall. Doesn't look like waterfall to me, this one. We have reached this place. I can hear some heavy noise of waterfall. Let's pray this is the one. Oh God. It's here. Woohoo! Oh, it's beautiful. Finally we reach here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your thupthup waterfall. Nobody knows about it. We have reached. There are some local guys there. Seems like they are fishing or doing something. Oh, collecting sand. Thupthup waterfall. Nobody knows about this waterfall. I've seen only one video in YouTube so far. The mesmerizing thupthup waterfall. What is the name of this place? Near Wayminster. The sand they are collecting from the river. Have reached Thupthup Falls. Mission successful. There we are, the Thupthup Falls. It's a very small waterfall, but dangerous also. Lots of rock. You have to cross that rock. Let's go.
Đừng quay, 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 đừng quay,